4 ways living with purpose improves your business. There is a fundamental element of succeeding in business that may not be top of mind for you, but if you want to zoom past your competitors, you need to have a very clear vision of why you're investing yourself in the business. What is it that makes you leap out of bed in the morning raring to go? If it's not clear to you exactly how living purposefully can impact your business, consider these benefits that have been identified by business experts. 1. Living with purpose helps you stay in the game. No one's going to pretend that succeeding in business is a walk in the park. Being an entrepreneur demands determination, grit, and persistence. When you first start, you have rosy visions of success just out of your grasp. But as all business owners know, unforeseen circumstances, holdups, setbacks are all part of the deal, and you have to learn to roll with the punches. Knowing you're in the game helps you hang on. Purpose gives you clarity and motivation, no matter what happens. 2. Living with purpose promotes excellence. If you know your life's purpose, you'll want to give it your best shot every day. You'll want to surround yourself with the best people, get the best advice, and make the best decisions for your business. When you know you're in it for the long haul, clarity of purpose means you make decisions not for short-term gain, but as an investment in the future. 3. Your purpose can inspire others. Knowing and living your purpose makes for strong, inspiring leadership. People are attracted to work for someone who has a vision and isn't afraid to go for it. Living purposefully means you'll act with integrity, in alignment with your values. That's what people look for in a leader, in a mentor. It inspires trust, respect, and confidence. 4. Clear purpose will attract clients. Employees are not the only people attracted by purposeful leadership. Your current and potential clients are looking for someone they can trust. Think about why you choose the business you buy from. What is it about them that makes you part with your hard-earned cash? Most likely you trust them, right? And why do clients trust businesses? Because they live their values, their purpose. You know you can depend on them to deliver what you want when you want. And that's the first step in building a strong, loyal client-business relationship. If you communicate the why of what you do, your purpose will be the best advertising.